Someone paid $1,200 for this phone, then destroyed it, then threw it away. I paid $30 for it, and I'm about to find out if that was the dumbest thing I've ever done. Here's the thing about a phone this wrecked. Bent frame, camera gone, Face ID missing? None of that actually matters. There's only one part that decides everything. The motherboard. If that's alive, everything else is just parts we can buy. Opening this up is almost easy when the screen is already destroyed. Nothing left to be careful about. Disconnecting the battery, peeling back the layers, and there it is. The board. No burn marks. No cracked solder points, which means either I got really lucky or whoever threw this away had no idea what they were holding. I'm not rebuilding anything until I know what I'm working with. Bench power supply connected, current flowing, it's drawing power. It's trying to boot. Okay, now I'm interested. But here's where it gets complicated. The board is bent. Not a lot. Just slightly. But slightly is enough. Bent boards crack at the solder joints over time. Works today? In 3 months? Maybe not. So I have two options. Option 1, sell it as is. Make a profit, move on. Option 2, do the thing that takes 4 hours and one wrong move to destroy everything permanently. I'm doing option 2. This is the part most repair shops won't touch. I'm moving the CPU, storage, and signal chips off this bent board onto a clean one. The CPU holds everything, your data, your device identity. Everything Apple locked to this phone. It's all on that chip. Drop it, overheat it, misalign it by 0.5 millimeter. It's gone, no fix, no second chance. Heat gun on, lifting, clean. Now the storage chip, smaller, harder to work with, and off. Placing everything onto the new board now. Every contact point has to sit perfectly. Board sealed, new frame, replacement parts sourced for under $40. Running total on this whole build, $71. Powering on, it boots. Wi-Fi connected. Cellular, signal locked. Rear cameras, working. Front camera, Face ID setup running. Recognized. Someone paid $1,200 for this phone. Destroyed it. Threw it in the trash. I paid $71 total. And right now, it works better than most phones people are walking around with today. The only thing wrong with this phone was that the person who owned it didn't know what they had.